Hello everyone, it's me again. It was good seeing you this past Tuesday. The second half of class, Mrs. HP talked to you about our new unit of study, which is imperialism from 1800 through 1914. In particular, the causes of this new imperialism. Yesterday, you were sent through Google Classroom in the classwork part an assignment regarding imperialism, in particular empire building in Africa. This is going to be due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And if we take a minute to look at this assignment, you will see that the first part has imperialism and empire building in Africa, 1800 through 1914, a very interesting map regarding it. But as we scroll down, you're going to see here and be reading about background information regarding this scramble for Africa, this competition that started among the different European countries during this time, how the Industrial Revolution inspired them, as well as other causes that we talked to you about. You're going to be seeing, as I bring it into view, the mad scramble for Africa, all the different European nations. And what you're going to be doing by Sunday and submitting this to us, which we will review with you at our next live session on Tuesday, are these questions. And make sure that you're responding to these questions in 2 to 3 sentences, complete sentences. Who are these people? Where are they from? What are they doing? How is this depicted symbolically in the cartoon? Why are they acting in this manner? How does this relate to nationalism? Nationalism being defined as an intense love and pride for one's country. So you're going to be looking at this cartoon, The Mad Scramble for Africa, and answering these 4 questions. You're also going to be reading information about a conference that was held in Berlin, Germany between 1884 and 1885. The person who was in charge of this conference, who sponsored it, was Otto von Bismarck, which, if you remember, we talked about regarding the unification of Germany. He was very instrumental in unifying it. And there's information about this conference. There's also information that you'll read for Tuesday regarding the result of colonization legacy. And you're also going to be looking at a map. The title of the map is The Division of Africa as a Result of the Berlin Conference. And you'll notice that by 1914 or so, by the start of the First World War, there's really 2 areas in Africa that are independent. Liberia on one side and Ethiopia on the other. But what we also want you to look at are these questions, and again, in 2 to 3 complete sentences. Where are the majority of British colonies located? Where are French and Italian possessions located? What is significant about Liberia and Ethiopia? And I just mentioned to you why they are important. So we expect that you submit this assignment. It's going to be graded by this coming Sunday. We will go over it with you on Tuesday. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself. I have office hours tomorrow, Friday. Mrs. HP also has office hours. She has a calendar where you could sign up for an appointment to speak with her. If you want individual attention, please feel free to reach out through my Google Calendar as well. I'll send you an invite. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.